but it's from the past, like embers inside our soul.